So it's a warm startup, and you can see what my oil pressure gauge does. We're gonna listen for noises too. Yeah, that ain't good. Dang.